Hey guys, I am back with a video. I'm going to be doing a last week planet deck. Basically, need to play summon monsters, so it's kind of cool. Okay, that was like the weirdest thing ever. So yeah, here's hoping that I can, actually pull off the thing, and I did. I got it. Cool. I'm like super laggy right now. Oh my god, Duelingbook is like so laggy. I'm only gonna be doing one duel video because this is ridiculous. Oh my god, this thing is like super laggy right now. It's horrible. This way I can get back my materials that I use. I will use polymerization. I'm actually able to open up consistently with this. Like I've played 6 games with it already, and I'm able to consistently make him every turn, or every turn 1 or whatever. So it's consistent. The deck is really consistent. The problem is that there's just too many ways to deal with it. No terraforming. Search for repair plant. That way I can just get it out of my deck. So I won't be joining into another repair plant. That would suck. It's not like I went and nagged anything to make this build either, so I still like have 5 cards, so I mean it's pretty good. 5 cards. I didn't plus anything. Well, I did go neg, but part of the science helped with that. But still, I ended up with 5 cards still in my opening build. So I didn't lose any advantage, and I didn't gain advantage in card economy, but I do have a monk that's, kind of difficult to get around right now, so. Ooh, that is hot Jane coffee. I do not play any disruption, so I should probably put in like Cosmic Cyclones or something, or Twin Twists to deal with back row. This deck's biggest issue is with back row right now, I noticed, so. Yes, you can set a monk, so. My problem is with back row. I need to add twisters, like, really bad. My hair's a mess for some reason. So here's the deck. 3 Sunbreaker of the Dog, 3 Moves, Mary Utai, 3 King of the Swamp, 2 Prisma, 3 Moonlight Black Sheep, 1 Monster Reborn, 1 Rhoda, 3 Fusion Recycle Plant, 3 Terraforming, 1 Poly. Because you actually don't need 1 and 1 because it's searchable with this, and technically with this. So theoretically, you're playing 3, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 copies, 16 copies of Pummelization. Hence, you're going to open up with it every fucking game. Over half of your deck of Pummelizations. So, yeah. You only need a 1. 3 Fusion Conceptions. This card is really good to search for your stuff you need. 3 Hero Lives is to get to the Prisma, because Prisma basically is 20 materials. 3 Tanky, 3 Desire, 3 Allure, 2 Moonmirror Shield, which will probably be cut. The Moonmirror Shield is what I'm gonna probably cut. And maybe cut some of these for destruction, like Dark Hole and Makeki, so I can clear the board. But so I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe and anything in the comments below. I will catch you guys tomorrow. This is TheJinzo signing out. I am sorry, I do apologize for the short video today, but Dueling Book is laggy. There isn't really a new product to review, so there's not really a lot for me to do except for this kind of stuff, and you know, it's very difficult to record when the site is super laggy like this. So anyway, I do apologize. I'll try to do more video tomorrow, a longer one. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. This is TheJinzo. I know. Bye.